This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Crystal Raymer. Beautiful 2-year-old home located in highly desired neighborhood in Calhoun, conveniently located to I-20 and local shopping. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an open floor plan that is bright and airy. Painted throughout with neutral modern colors that you will love. Home also has a Vivint security system installed for your protection. The kitchen features an island with beautiful granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The master has a large walk-in closet, ensuite with his and her sinks and a shower for 2. The family will enjoy the spacious living room with 65-inch flat-screen TV and back patio area for the summer barbecues. Call today to schedule your private viewing before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Raymer at 318-324-1444.